It's a case of a role reversal. The Congress now demanding the declassification of the Henderson Brooks report on the Indo-China war. The change in stand by the Congress comes a day after the BJP government completely ruled out making the report public, citing national security concerns.
In the previous parliament, I had also tabled a question asking for the Henderson Brooks report to be made public. Unfortunately, the Defence Ministry seems to have a particular point of view that the report should not be made public. Subsequently, when excerpts of that report were published in a newspaper, you correctly said that the Bharatiya Janata Party seized upon that and lampooned the Congress Party or the then Congress government for its handling of the 1962 Sino-India war. So therefore, under those circumstances, now when the BJP is in office, I think it is appropriate that they declassify the report. The Henderson Brooks report should be put in the public space. A lot of water has flowed under the bridge between 1962 and 2014. As a mature democracy, we would be able to take into cognizance, whatever the report has to reveal, and take a very sober and a very, very pragmatic view, depending upon the context and the circumstances of that particular time.
Brooks was a general who sat over a committee which prepared the report on the debacle of 1962. And I don't understand why all these years it has been classified as top secret. When you have released 1965, you have released 1971, you have Sri Lanka operations have been released. Everything is being released. Why are you sitting on this?
Yeah.
If it's top secret and it's classified, then it's up to the government to declassify it. Why don't
you were on the same page as Arun Jaitley, who says it should be declassified. That's what he had said in his blog before he became defense minister.
Long before, in the opposition he said this, but I have always said this, whether it's in our government or outside our government, that this matter should be declassified.
It should be declassified, but the fact is, what Jaitley was saying...
We all know what's in it.
Yeah.
We all have written. I have written a book on it. Not on that, but on the operations of 1962. So we all know what's in it. So what are we trying to hide?
The Nehruvian blunder that Jaitley has been talking about, and others in the BJP have been saying that it is basically Nehru and his men who blundered. Do you also agree with that?
This is not the case. I mean, you cannot put the entire blame on one person. The army is concerned. After all, the army gives a response. There was a general call then. There were the army chief, poor fellow, was not even taken. General Thapa was not even taken into consideration. It was General Kaul and Mr. Krishna Menon who were operating and doing all these things. So why are we trying to just? I think once it comes out, it will clear a lot of things.